What's up, guys? We haven't done a review in a long time.
While Hobbit?
Hobbit. Wait, might have been Expendables 2.
Expendables 2?
Nope, it was Hobbit.
Hobbit.
Fast and Furious 6. We've just been. We're a few days late. Well, we're 1 day late. It came out yesterday.
Yeah.
But we've just been. So, okay, basic plot outline to the film. You go.
Okay, basically, Letty from the first film, from the fourth film, is back from the dead, and Hobbs is trying to track her team down.
The Rock.
Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, is trying to track her team down, and he has to bring in Vin Diesel or Toretto and his team to catch them.
Yes, basically he offers them full pardons, and Letty, in return, the team has to capture Shaw, the bad guy.
Yep.
And there's no spoilers in that because all that's revealed in the trailer, basically. So
yeah, that's all trailer stuff.
The good.
Say 3 points.
3 points. That's really good. Okay.
3 points. 3 good points.
The Rock's in it. The Rock is in it, and The Rock is in it.
Okay.
And the action scenes are good. Okay. First of all, no, The Rock is in it. That was my main attraction because I love The Rock.
Okay.
Number 2, I can't really see there being a better action film for a long time. They included everything. Plane scenes, tank scenes, all in the trailer. Just the hand-to-hand combat, the fight scenes are amazing. Just gun scenes, everything.
It's
like Fast 5, but better.
Really is. I didn't think they'd go better than Fast 5, but
No.
Jesus, they did.
Yeah, and cool twists. That's my 3. You 3, go.
Okay, I definitely agree with the cool twist. Twists even. See, there were 3 twists.
Oh, and cameos.
Yeah, and count as a twist.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, yeah, 3 twists. Awesome. The fact they tried to get every single vehicle they couldn't there, because they got the cars, tanks, bikes,
Planes.
the only thing they really missed was a boat. Okay, bad points. Can you pick 3 bad points?
Justin Lin is the director, right?
Yeah.
Justin Lin's take on Britain in general. It's a bit unrealistic.
Everyone sounded like Vinnie Jones. Literally, everyone sounded like Vinnie Jones. It just...
That's racist, isn't it? No, it's not. No,
That's myself.
You're Welsh, not English. Anyway, no, yeah, there's like scenes like in set in London with like they do in LA with all the girls and the bikinis and stuff at night. How warm is it in London?
It's too cold for that.
Some of the action scenes unrealistic, but that happens in all action films, so I'm not gonna let that bring my opinion down. Anyway,
okay. Yeah, no, I got a good one that's kind of good and bad. The end sequence, which involves the plane that we mentioned. The end sequence that involves the plane mentioned, unrealistically long. It generally took about 10 years for them to take off. I mean, it was awesome. Everything that happened during it was amazing, but it's just one of those unrealistic action points.
The Rock wasn't in it enough. That's a bad point.
I think he was in it just enough.
There's never just enough. Always more Rock. That's it.
Oh my God,
so all in all, very good film. Rating out of 10. Go.
9.
9. Bam.
Done.
And we already decided in the car on the way back it was 9 out of 10. So
yeah.
Keep an eye on The Rock's facial hair if you're going to see it. There's a scene. He has like a goatee, right? And there's a scene in the car when he's on the phone, completely clean shaven. Next time you see him, goatee's back.
Yeah. Make sure you watch the last sequence. End of the film.
Yeah, after the credits.
And, well, kind of, after the half credits.
Yeah.
Watch it and... just
enjoy it.
Is it a spoiler to say that there's obviously a next one?
No.
Okay. It leads on to a Fast 7 epically.
Oh yes, it does. Yes.
And I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Laters.
Well, I'm gonna go this way.